Today we are learning one of the most important concept in DSA, the for loop. A for loop is used to repeat a block of code multiple times. मतलब अगर हमें सेम काम बार बार रिपीट करना हो तो हम for loop का यूज कर सकते हैं. Now let's see the syntax. For initialize, condition and updation. This loop has three important parts. First is initialization, second is condition and third is updation. First part initialization. Start the loop variable. Here int I is equals to 0. मतलब यहाँ I जो है 0 से start होता है. Second is condition. The condition check whether the loop should continue or stop. If the condition is true, this loop run. If the condition is false, the loop will stop. Okay. मतलब अगर यहाँ I की वैल्यू 5 से लेस देन होती है तो ये लूप चलेगा. अगर I की वैल्यू 5 से ज़्यादा होती है तो ये लूप स्टॉप हो जाएगा. Third is updation. The updation change the value every iteration. This increase I by 1 every time. Now, see the complete example. In this example, 5 become 5, the condition become false because I is less than 5. Then the condition become false and the loop stops. Here's the flow of the for loop. Remember this flow very carefully. First is initialization, second is condition, third is execution, and fourth is updation. After every update, the loop again go back to the condition. मतलब अगर हम एग्जाम्पल ऊपर वाले एग्जाम्पल में देखते हैं, पहले हमारी आई की वैल्यू 0 थी, हमने कंडीशन चेक की, आई जो है वो 5, आई 0 जो 5 से छोटा है, मतलब कंडीशन ट्रू है, तो ये एग्जीक्यूट हो जाएगा, मतलब आई इज इक्वल्स टू 0 एंड देन अपडेट. फिर अपडेट के बाद कंडीशन चेक, फिर ऐसे करके रिपीट हुआ. Here are some practice question. So first question is print number 1 to 10. Here I initialize with 1 and goes till 10. The output will be 1 to 10. The second question is print even numbers. I is initialized with 2 and condition is less than 20 and update every time by 2. So the output will be 2, 4, 6. If I want to print odd numbers, then I will start with 1 and the condition and updation is same. Then output will be 1, 3 till 19. Now the third question is sum of first n numbers. So in this int I is equals to int n is equals to 5, int sum is equals to 0. In this I is equals to 1 and I जो है वो 5 टाइम रन होगा because जो कंडीशन है I is less than 5 and I अपडेट होगा every iteration by 1 and the sum will print. So the output will be 15. Thank you.